Got a countdown to tell you when it's ready. We should be ready. Had a little click, little lights over here came on. Then it's ready to start. Hey guys, the good folks over at LOKITHOR gifted me this multifunctional jump starter and battery tester. Do a little unboxing, try it out, and let you know what I think about it. We're going to get it opened up and see what we got. It says it'll do an 8.5 liter gas engine and a 6.5 liter gas engine. 12 volt lithium, 2500 amp peak. Should get the job done. A little card here and our user guide here. Pretty nice looking here. Feels pretty solid. Have our cables here, a USB-A to USB-C charging cord, and a little carrying bag. We got a riding tractor out back with a dead battery, and we're going to see if this will get it started here in a moment. Let's go over it right quick, and then we'll run out there in the backyard and try it out and see how well it works. Okay, you have your power button here, a light button, and a boost button. A boost button is in case you have a battery that is really dead and it needs some extra power. You can push that and hold it for 5 seconds and it will go into boost mode, and then that should get it started. Okay, here on the end you have your USB ports. Okay, right here you have your USB-C port. This is where you will plug in your USB cord to get this thing charged up, and it's in and out. Over here on this side, this is a USB-A port, and it's just the output. So if you need to charge something up through the cord, you can charge it up through that port right there. Looking over here on the front of it, this is where you will plug in your cables. You just plug your cables in right there. Okay, right here you have your lights. Just hold that light button down for a moment. You have high, medium, and low. Then you have the strobe. Then you have the SOS. And then you have the alternating left and right. Right here you have your little LED lights. It'll tell you like a charging reminder LED, reverse polarity LED. Just your different warnings right there. It's all in the instruction book. And you have your battery status on here. It'll tell you how much power you have in your charger. Okay, we're going to go out in the backyard and see if it's got enough power to get the riding tractor started. Okay, as you see, it is deader than a doornail. Plug your cables in right here. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it does have an app to download and put on your phone. We'll get that put on in just a moment. That way you can see the results of your test. Right now we'll get this hooked up and see if it'll jump start the tractor here. Got a countdown to tell you when it's ready. We should be ready. Had a little click, little lights over here came on. Then it's ready to start. There we go. It will definitely get it started. Then we'll download that app and get it installed and test that battery. Okay, we've got it hooked up, got the app going. We'll do a little battery test here. Have to select your rating. 235. Click next. Running your test here. There you go. It's pretty obvious. We need a new battery. Well, there you have it, folks. It got the job done. Started this lawn tractor up without a problem. As far as that app goes, there's a QR code in the user manual. You can scan that, download the app. You'll have to register it, and then you can test that battery like we did a while ago. But anyway, it got the job done. Easy peasy. It's a winner in my book. I like it. If you want to check this out, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can go check it out and decide if this is the one for you. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and put a playlist right over here. You might want to go check that out too. Might be something in there that perks your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.